What's going on, guys? It is Wealth Tip Wednesday, in which every Wednesday I give you guys a different tip to help you out along your journey of building wealth. Now, guys, today I have a special guest, Natanya Moses. Now, Natanya is a business management as well as business credit specialist. She also has a degree in accounting and business management. Now, Natanya and I have teamed up together to provide you guys a business credit workshop. Now, the goal of this workshop is to bring awareness to entrepreneurs, aspiring business owners, and business owners on legalizing their business as well as using their business to build wealth with their business credit.
What we want to do here at this workshop is basically utilize all this information that I have been taught by my mentor, things that I have achieved, such as legalizing my business, achieving a high paydex score, and achieving my DUNS number to achieve business credit and financing my business to its fullest capacity. Why this class is going to be so valuable is because they're not teaching us this in school. They don't want us to know this because this information makes everybody or anybody that has a corporation powerful. And we all know the well-known corporations such as Walmart, Target, and Apple have legalize their business and use business credit to fund and bring capital to their business. A lot of people don't know that with their businesses, they can have subdivisions. And with the subdivisions, they can have each own business credit score. And with that being said, we want to teach you here at this workshop how to utilize all those gems to create a powerful business, not only just money making, but we want to have your business be known worldwide in the business credit fields such as Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion.
Now, Tanya, what exactly is business credit?
Business credit is a way to qualify to finance your business without using your personal credit score.
Now, the average person feels like they have no money to start a business. So how can they start a business with no money, and what can they do to get business credit?
Well, in anything, there's always a process. And with you building your business credit, you are actually giving this business an opportunity to apply for financing to get its proper capital it needs to start. A lot of business owners are always in debt when we start our businesses, including me. When I started out, I didn't have any money saved up to start my business. And I learned along the way that when I used my business credit, when I finally found and used the keys and the steps to achieve my paydex score, it literally changed my life to where I am now saving money. I am now up on my inventory, and I'm also making a lot of money.
Now, why should aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners attend this workshop?
Well, I want to say that this workshop is just not for anybody. This workshop is for people that are ready to change their lives and take it to the next level. We are looking for inspiring business owners and entrepreneurs who are ready to implement these gems of business credit to finance their business without any hassle and any doubt that they're going to achieve greatness in their business.
Now, as we wrap this up, is there a message that you want to leave to the audience?
What I want to say to the audience is that investing in yourself is never a waste. Information is very powerful. It can change your life. It's worth more than any gold in the world. And if you was to come to this class, your mindset will be changed and also your finance and your pockets. And that's the goal of this class. We don't want to leave anybody unturned. Everybody who comes to this workshop will leave with a powerful mindset and a bossed up company.
Bossed up company. Now, guys, the rich keep getting richer because they're utilizing their business to build their corporations as well as their business credit to build wealth. It's more than just knowledge. We're giving you guys the blueprint, but you have to actually execute it to move forward within your business.